Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 29 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight, we're doing something kind of fun. We're doing bourbon and lime. Trust me on this, you're going to find it pretty fun and tasty, I do believe. So, first of all, let's talk about the ingredients that we will need to make this cocktail. I know you're going to guess this right away. We've got to have some great bourbon. I have selected the Russell's Reserve 10-year. You know I like this one when I want some spicy notes to show the age and the oak coming through. So it's going to complement this lime that we're going to be doing really well. Second, you also probably know by now that I love my sweet note to be a Demerara Syrup whenever possible. So we will be using that. To complement and balance out the Demerara Syrup, and because I told you we're going to have lime, we've got fresh squeezed lime juice. Very important, if you can do fresh, it's always better, but if you need to rely on the premix, the real in a jar, that's okay too. We're also going to have orange bitters. I know, it's like we're doing lime, but orange, it's going to bring everything together very nicely. So really, it's those 4 ingredients. That's all this cocktail requires. So I know I'm going to have you making it very soon. Typically, when using something with a juice, such as a lime juice, we would shake it. But I did play with it, and I didn't want it as aerated as you get with shaking it. This one, I want to make it a little bit smoother, silkier. So we are going to be using a mixing glass. Of course, we're going to need a bar spoon, a nice bell jigger, and I'm going to use a coupe glass. I did do the practice cocktail with a rocks glass and a large ball of ice, but I'm having a little fun with these little roses tonight, which I'll show you in just a second. So let's get started step by step, and we can make this cocktail together. So if you're ready, let's go. So first, we're going to add our bourbon. Whew. Fresh bottle, so we're going to have a fresh pour. We're going to use 2 ounces of the Russell Reserve. There we go. Now, for our Demerara syrup, we will be using 1/2 of an ounce. Just to give it that sweet note that's going to balance everything out quite nicely. Look at that. I love the way the Demerara syrup plays well with bourbon. This is I did it earlier, fresh squeezed lime juice. Again, we're going to match that amount with a 1/2 ounce of the fresh squeezed lime juice. Now for the orange bitters, 2 dashes. You could go 3 if you like a little bit more of an orange note, but I'm going to go 2 tonight because I think that's going to be sufficient. So then we're just going to stir until it's chilled. Again, you could also shake this if you want to get it a little more aerated, have some more bubbles forming. It also helps your juices kind of emulsify a little bit more. But I want a smoother looking cocktail when I pour it into the coupe glass. Feeling pretty well chilled now, which is great. Now, I do have these really cool, I bought them for Mother's Day, these rose molds, and I thought, I've not used it in another cocktail since Mother's Day, so I just had to pull that out tonight. I thought it'd be really fun. So we're going to strain this into our coupe glass right over that rose that is chilling our glass for us. There we go. Perfect. And I will say that I did this cocktail with a lime wedge earlier when I did it in the rocks glass, and a lime, of course, is going to complement it very well. But for this particular cocktail tonight, we're going a little more sophisticated, so I didn't really want to put a lime wedge into it. So let's see how it smells. Those citrus notes are coming forward. I love that. I'm getting some of that rich Demerara syrup on the nose. But the zest and the bourbon caramel notes are coming forward. So let's taste it and see how this Demerara Derby is. Cheers. Oh, I'm just really enjoying how that lime is playing so well with the bourbon. It just shouldn't work. I've done a root beer Ricky before where we put root beer with rye whiskey and a lot of lime juice, and that was fantastic. I love that. I'm a little surprised at how fantastic this is. I'm enjoying it a lot. I'm finding that it has that interplay of tartness, sweetness, a little bit of subtle bitterness from the orange. It's just got this great symphony of balance and all these notes popping with the lime and then the spirit, right? Got the Russell saying, "Don't forget about me over here. The bourbon's here." I'm just really enjoying it. So I don't know if you've ever tried a Demerara Derby, but if you have, share in the comments what you do with your Derby drink and how you enjoy it and what you think about this cocktail if you make it. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, I'd like for you to join me next week for episode 30 to see what we might be mixing up again next week. And I'll tell you, I've got something pretty fun planned, so I do hope you'll join. So for tonight, always remember to drink responsibly. Have a fantastic Thirsty Thursday, and cheers.